we'll guide you through how to generate an Asana report. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to Asana's website, then log into your account. Once you're in, navigate to the left-hand sidebar and click on the Reports tab. This will take you to the Reports page where you can see various report options. You'll find pre-made reports that Asana provides, which can be very useful, but if you want something custom, click on the Create Report button. Here, you can start by selecting the criteria for your report. You can filter by project, team, or even specific tasks. Next, choose the time frame you're interested in, whether it's the past week, month, or a custom date range. After setting your criteria, you can add more filters like task status or assignee to narrow down your report to what's most relevant. Once you've set everything up, click Generate Report and Asana will create a detailed report based on your selections. If you want to share this report, simply click on the Share button and you can email it directly to team members or download it as a CSV file for further analysis. You might find it helpful to save the report for quick future access by clicking on Save Report and giving it a name you'll remember. This makes it easy to run the same report again without having to set it up from scratch. Generating reports in Asana can be a powerful way to gain insights into your team's productivity and project progress. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.